a.m. June 13, 2014 at Heritage and 4th Street in Golden, Colorado. Just had, looks like a drunk driver tagged both my car and our neighbor's car. See, this is our neighbor's car here. Happened about 4 minutes ago. You can see debris in the street. You can see also got my car pretty good. In fact, it pushed our cars up on the street. It appeared to be, from Heather's quick view, some sort of a truck with a canopy on the back. Neighbor is currently calling the police because it was almost certainly a drunk driver with the way this got hit. So you can see that got me pretty good. And got his car pretty damn good too. That was his car hitting my car from his car getting hit in the back. So yeah, broke out his window. That's what happened.